Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, in previous class we talked about the French Revolution that began in 1789. Dear students, today we will talk about the French society during late 18th century. During 18th century, French society was divided into three states. It means French society was divided into three categories. The Society of Estates was part of the feudal system. The Society of Estates was the part of the feudal system. About 90% of the population was peasants, but very a small number of them owned land. In our locality also we find that very few number of major portion of population owns land. Similarly, during 18th century in French society, 90% of population was peasants, but very a small number of peasants owned land. About 60% of land was owned by the nobles, church, and richer members of the third estates. The members of the first two estates enjoyed privilege by birth, and they were exempted from paying taxes to estates. It means first estates and second estates were exempted or free from paying taxes to estates. Peasants were obliged to render services to the lord as to work on his house, on his farms, in army, or building roads. The members of estates had not to pay taxes to the estate only, but the church also extracted taxes, which was called tithes. It means, students, sometimes independent question is asked that what do you mean by tithes? What is tithes? So tax extracted by church during 18th century France was called tithes. In other words, taxes extracted by church was called tithes, while direct tax to estate was called tallies. Students, tallies is also a tax which was paid by the members of third estate direct to the estate. Besides of these several types of indirect taxes, some types of indirect taxes third estates had to pay on everyday consumption goods like salt and or tobacco. It means all financial liability was on the heads of the members of the third estates. It also caused anger of the members of Third Estate and led the French Revolution. Now we talk about the financial conditions of the France when Louis XVI ascended the throne. In 1774, Louis XVI of Bourbon dynasty ascended the throne of France. At that time, he was only 20 years old and married to Austrian Princess Antoinette. And spent life in luxury. He found empty treasury at that time due to long-term wars, maintaining an extravagant court of Versailles Palace and helping to 13 colonies of America to be free from the common enemy, Britain pushed France in debt of 2 billion livres. A student's livre was an unit of French currency. Now, lenders began to charge 10% interest to the state on debt. So, French government was forced to increase taxes to pay interests to maintain regular expenses, to meet the expenses of army, court, running the government offices and universities. Thus we see that this financial condition of French treasury and French estate when Louis XVI ascended the throne and the structure of society led the French Revolution. In next class, we will talk about the struggle to survive of the people in France. Okay.